Have a fun-filled week, just the two of us.
How romantic.
Wait just a minute.
What are you trying to pull?
Oh, look at his cute little sign.
Mr. Potato Head wants to know how many hours he can stay in the parking garage if he only has $5. So for the first hour, he writes $3.50. It's 25 cents for every half hour after that, so he'll write 25 cents and a half hour until he gets all the way down to $5. Mr. Potato Head sees that with $5, he can park for 4 hours. We can solve this another way. We can take the $5 that Mr. Potato Head has and take away the $3.50 for the first hour. With the remaining $1.50, we want to see how many additional hours that Mr. Potato Head can park. So we're going to divide $1.50 by 50 cents because 50 cents would be an extra hour. We see that $1.50 divided by 50 cents equals 3 hours. So we have to add our 1 hour from the beginning with 3 hours, and our total amount of time is 4 hours.
Are you crazy? We're not preschool toys. We can read.
Don't talk to any toy you don't know.
Where's my nose?
Here it is.
Here's your arm. Honey, the mustache?
I'd better find my other eye.
Where'd you leave it this time?
Well, that mistake is sitting in your spot.
Prepare to meet Mr. Angry Eyes.